Updating your address on Gate.io is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Gate.io website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page under your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Personal Information section. This is where you can view and edit your address and other personal details. Step 4. Update your address. In the Personal Information section, look for the address field. Enter your new address details carefully, ensuring that all information is accurate and complete. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After updating your address, make sure to save the changes. You may be required to verify the update through an email or SMS confirmation, so check your inbox or messages for any verification requests. Make sure to review updated information periodically to keep it accurate. Following these steps will help you maintain your account's integrity on Gate.io.